get a mini on a stick. Probably just do cinnamon today. They have the avalanche cup. This is what they look like. The donuts are really delicious, light, fluffy, airy, not overly sweet. So I'm a real big fan of them. And also for here, everything is vegan friendly, guys. And here you go. They're whipping up the dough right here. Here's a little oil frying machine. It's really cool. Then make sure you follow them on Facebook and Instagram.
Before that wine tasting gets underway, if you are in fact listening with some local flavors all the way from Breda Cross Winery, be sure to get yourself a ticket, and you can find the wine tasting happening at 2 o'clock within the next 5 minutes in the gazebo or the marquee adjacent here to the official food dining area.
Alright guys, here we have
Once that gets on the way, I'll be sure to be
lemonade
around and giving you a little bit more info.
How you doing? So I have to give them a credit. This is probably the prettiest stand that I've seen out here. Sure. I don't really know if this is made for men. It's so pinky. Oh, okay.
Yeah, let me know what you think. Everyone has a different vibe to it. Some of
Oh, that's delicious. So it has the sweetness of the lemonade, and then you get that tartness of the cranberries at the end, which is delicious.
Bingo. That's what we're going for, eh?
I'm really loving it.
Where are you from, sir?
Texas?
Texas.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, sir. What brings you to South Africa?
Okay, let me cut the camera off, guys.